In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jobber in 2025 beginner tutorial. We'll start on the Jobber website by visiting the Why Jobber page. This is the best place to understand what Jobber is designed to do for home service businesses. Things like scheduling, quoting, invoicing, and keeping clients happy. Take a minute to skim the benefits and real-world examples so you know which tools you want to use first. Next, head to the Industries section, often labeled as top-rated field service management software. Here you can see how Jobber fits your line of work, from lawn care to cleaning to HVAC. It's also where you'll see trial options and can match features to the day-to-day tasks your team handles. From the top navigation, open Product. This is your feature tour, scheduling and dispatching, quotes and invoices, client communications, and the mobile app. Browsing here gives you a quick plan for what you'll set up once you're inside your account. Now, go to the Jobber login page. If you're new, choose the option to create your account, then follow the prompts. Enter your business details and preferences so Jobber can tailor your workspace with the right time zone, currency, and industry settings. Once you're in, open Settings and select Business Profile. Fill in your company name, address, logo, and branding elements. This information appears on your quotes and invoices, so keeping it consistent and professional helps clients recognize and trust your business. Next, go to Products and Services. Add the services you offer and any standard products or add-ons. Include descriptions, default pricing, taxes, and cost details if you track margins. Organizing items into categories will make quoting faster and more accurate. Then open Custom Fields. Use these to capture the exact details your team needs, like gate codes, access notes, or equipment types. Choose the field type, text, number, checkbox, or date, and decide where it shows up, such as on requests, jobs, or invoices, so your workflow stays streamlined. Head over to Expense Tracking. Record materials, mileage, and reimbursements, and attach receipts so nothing falls through the cracks. Assign expenses to jobs to see true job profitability, and use categories to keep costs organized for reporting. Next, go to Automations. Set up reminders, follow-ups, and thank you messages for quotes, appointments, and invoices. Pick your triggers and timing, write clear templates, and let Jobber handle the routine touches that keep clients informed and reduce no-shows. Finally, open Manage Team. Invite your staff, set roles and permissions, and configure availability. Encourage your field team to use the mobile app for clock-ins, notes, and photos, so office and field stay perfectly in sync. With these essentials in place, you're ready to run your day in Jobber, more organized, more professional, and a lot faster. Let's start right where you'll land after logging in, the home dashboard. Think of this as your command center. Here you get a clear snapshot of upcoming jobs, recent activity, and any outstanding invoices. It's a great habit to review this first each day so you can spot priorities, keep an eye on cash flow, and jump straight into what matters. If something looks urgent, like an overdue invoice or a job that needs attention, you can click through to handle it immediately. Next, head to Clients. This is where you keep your customer information organized. You can select an existing client to review their details and history, or create a new one. To add a new client, click New Client, enter their contact information and any important notes, then save. Clean, accurate records make scheduling, quoting, and invoicing much smoother, and they help your team communicate consistently. Move over to the Requests section. Jobber lets clients send service requests directly to you, which appear here. Review each request, assign it to the right team member, and when it's a good fit, convert it into a job or a quote. Keeping this inbox tidy ensures nothing slips through the cracks and helps you respond quickly, which clients love. Now, open the Quotes tab to create a new quote. Add the client, list the services or products, and set clear pricing. Include helpful notes, like scope details or what's included, so there are no surprises. When you're happy with it, send the quote for approval. This step sets expectations and gives your client an easy path to say yes. From there, go to the schedule. This calendar view lets you see your day, week, or month at a glance. Drag and drop jobs to time slots, assign team members, and balance workloads to avoid conflicts. A quick scan of this view helps you spot gaps or overlaps and make adjustments before the day gets busy. Open the Jobs section to manage the work itself. Here you can see active, upcoming, and completed jobs. Click into a job to update its status. Add notes from the field, attach photos, or log what was done. Keeping these records current ensures accurate billing and keeps your whole team aligned. Finally, navigate to Invoices to get paid. Create an invoice from a completed job, customize it with your branding and payment terms, and send it by email. You can track what's paid, what's outstanding, and send reminders when needed. That's the full workflow. Home, clients, requests, quotes, schedule, jobs, and invoices. Follow this path to manage your business smoothly from first contact to final payment. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.